So, are you one of those people that buys furniture or wall hangings or whatever from that one company that makes everything out of particle board, and you always end up with like 6 screws extra and one little Allen wrench? The nice thing about a real wood product that you make is the satisfaction that you made it. The other thought is, if you get halfway through a project and you decide to change the design, you can do that. So when you're working with pallets, the first tools that you're going to need, one is going to be a hammer. The next one you're probably going to need is a tape measure, the number of pallets. And you want to be kind of picky with your pallets, because that will dictate what type of wood you use. By being picky with your pallets, what it'll also determine is how straight and true your project's going to be. Having an orbital sander helps too, or a belt sander, or a drum sander, but if you don't have any of those, regular sandpaper works, and that'll help finish off the project. Another thing you might want to think about when you finish your project is how you want it to look. Do you want it painted or stained? And this is, very important. Hey, really quick here. Thank you for watching my videos, and if you're new, welcome to the channel.